I'm going at the back, not the fucking front. Oh, I'm a lumberjack and I don't care, 'cause I chop down trees. You know the rest. Put my head back on. We all know the saga about this thing, so I think this one is not good enough. I will try to show you what the flick I am talking about. We have got a hole by there. See it? So if you don't fix that now, everyone you do will have the same hole in. And we have got a tiny bit of the wall. The wall is tiny bit gone. All the rest is not bad, you know. And I know we are in this together through thick or thin. Right, if I can throw that, something like that. What we'll do is get rid of this. I'm going to cut the whatever I just said twice. There's a little bit there. I'll show you what I'm talking about. We got a little bit there, proud look. See how proud? 1/4 inch. And then we got that, super proud. So we'll take that off first. Yeah, I want to tell you a story. It was about 10 mil. We don't want that 10 mil, do we? 1/4 inch. The size of a hater's willy. 1/4 inch. You cannot see what I am doing. I'm going to lay that on a miller, and then I'm going to use these, which is the hot one. We're going to clamp our nailer, so we got a complete nice run on the doodlers. No, it's not the bench, Bob. Now, if I was in work, I could have put that in a press and probably bent that fucking straight. But you are not in work. No, I'm not in work. What are we fucking talking about here, Rob? We're talking approximately a 1/16 of an inch. Now, a 1/16 of an inch is, you find, not a lot. Unless you're a hater's wife. They're always moaning, Rob, do us a favour, come around my house. I was talking to somebody the other day about who's just got a mill, and the first thing you make when you got a mill is these things. Alright, you do a strip of them and then cut them. Well, all mine are old, very old threads, and finding nuts and bolts to fit them is flicking impossible. So I'm going to have to make some more of these, or drill that out and re-tap it. I'm glad it's raining, because my cat is covered in ash. If you saw my Facebook page, you'd know why it's covered in ash. That's nice, I like it like that. I like it like that. So back over, let's get back over here. Quite the bit we took off there, that's the original. I don't know what else to do, so that's quite a bit of cutting going on. I cut these lugs off, we'll see what we got. Yes, you're right. It was getting a bit hot. Would you heck of that weather? Now I wanna sand this, but slightly at an angle, so it comes out of the mould slightly better. That's the way we are doing it, that's the way we are doing it today. Now it's getting hot. Wish I had a glove. So I'm going to bring it over to you to show you. I'm down to that. Ooh, precious. I'm down to there now, so that's close. Now we really know it's hot, but what I was going to say is I want to take a shim off the top, but I can't do it on the miller. I'm just going to take a shim off there with this, just to see what it comes out like. So a very light shim. Now openly, I've got a bit of blacksmith paint left, which I had to send down from up country. Never leave home without it. So we're going to spray it in the woods. Fill it up if I can. Oh my god, that man is fucking crazy. He's sucking in fumes, he's wearing loose sleeves on the lathe and on the miller. He hasn't got steel toe caps on. He's got no ear protectors. Oh my god, he must be crazy, that fella. Yeah, okay. These are not actually for sticking on your Land Rover. These are for actually sticking somewhere else, if you know what I mean. Fumes, Stag, Lamborghini, Ferrari, you know, we can do all that. That's a better thing to hang on your wall, I suppose, if I did do all the badges the same size, and we'll do a wall collection. Car badges. You think I've been around like with a screwdriver nicking off cars? Yeah, he's been quiet because I was going to go live last night.
Yes.
And I said to Vince, because Vince wanted to go live, as you know, and I said, Vince, I sent him a text. I said, Vince, what are you doing now, exactly now, this precise moment, which was like 7:45.
Yeah.
Didn't answer. So I sent another text, 7:50, and then I sent another text, 7:55, and then I sent another text, 2 minutes to 8 o'clock, which he answered. He said he's in his workshop working, so I thought, alright then, well, it's not that important to go live, is it really?
No.
So perhaps I might go live tonight just to see Andy, just to say thanks to Andy. Because I've managed to get every good friend, every good person off the internet. Can't stand around talking to her all day. Well, I'll tell you now, ladies and gentlemen, that's going to be fucking red hot. So we'll just grab that and bring it back up. Now this paint I put on there, this new version of blacksmith paint, is stove paint, so it takes up to 600 degrees. So, you know, it's a nice thing to give your wife, isn't it? But the movie, bust the blood vessel. It's a bloody lovely thing to give your wife, I think. Yeah, stay there now. Stay there in a minute. No, I said stay there. Fucking hell. It's a sweeping brush. She's trying to make me finish. I can't finish yet. I've hardly done any singing at all. So, I'm just going to go like that for 20 minutes. And hopefully
we'll get a round of applause.
Excuse me. I'm a lumberjack no more. No more. Because I got a gas heater there, you can't see, but it's it's good. Well, I think another fucking 252,000 fucking. That'd be pretty close. No, fuck that. Let's do my arm in. I could have cheated and told nobody. And classing that is somewhat satisfactory. Right? I'm not. So the person that matters here, of course, is Wayne Ellis. Would you like that, Wayne Ellis? Is that acceptable? Because if Wayne said yes, it means other people might want one of these. At least 2. And I could be a millionaire and retire for next week. Thank you very much for watching. You know that. I always say that. Thank you very much for watching. That's it. That's as good as nearly. I'm going to cast another one because I got another idea to get it perfect. But that's what it'll look like. I think I'll go live tonight just for a laugh. And big thank you. Big ozbeach Andy. I can't fault you, my man. I can't fault you. And you know, I'm there forever on your side because you're a flicking good man. Really good man. It's a never-ending story of life. But I always look on the bright side of life. Life's a piece of shit when you look at it. My little doggies are asking where I am. Where you got? Where did you get that from? Where did that new ball come from, sure? Big green one. And the front room door was open. So you're lucky you got a Christmas tree left. Buster eats anything in sight.